Hi, what's going on, guys? Mark here again, Drone Man, as had another YouTube channel up. That's what I was called, Drone Man. But anyway, you can call me Mark. Yeah, this is the second time I've had the unique out, uh, the Typhoon. I've got two uniques. I got a Q500 4K, and I've got the Typhoon H Pro. Um, and I love the Typhoon H better. This is the second time I've flown it today, or was the second time today. The Q500, this was the third time I flew it. The first time was which on December 2nd, before Christmas. Uh, yeah, I went to fly it and it had a motor failure, and I was about 80 feet, 90 feet up, and it come crashing down to the concrete and tore it up pretty good. So I had to, it's got a year warranty on it, so I sent it back to, man, thank you again to Carolina Drones for what they've done for me and still do for me today. But I do thank y'all. But I sent it to them, and they got it fixed up pretty quick, and sent it back to me. And it's been flying like it's supposed to. Um, but I'm fixing to upload some video from it, as I'm curious of the camera on it too. This is like I said, this is the 8 Typhoon H Pro. So, and I left the landing gear down, as you can see here. Right there. Yep. And I lift the landing gear back up. I forget because I've never had a drone that I had to put the landing gear up. But this one you don't have to, but yeah, to get the shot to where the landing gear's not in the way, you gotta yeah pull the landing gear up. So I gotta start remembering to do that. But anyway, it's an excellent camera. um, and I love uh, the steam plant back there. That's Alabama Power steam plant, and it's being cooled off by the lake right here, West Jefferson Lake. Um, and that's about on the other. Well, I was gonna fly it around the drone, but there was so much wind today. We had gusts that were upwards of 20 to 23, 24 miles an hour. I've got a wind meter I carry with me every time I fly to see how bad the wind's blowing, and an anemometer I carry with me, and it was gusting pretty severe today. But yeah, I wanted to fly it across the lake and get closer to the towers over there, the cooling stacks, but it was just too windy, and I was afraid to do that. So um, yeah, with the Typhoon H, you don't want to chance it. So, but anyway, I guess that's about it. I've got a couple of more, I think 3 or 4 other videos I got to upload. That's what I'm doing now is editing them or learning how to edit. So, sorry for the editing job, but I am gradually learning. It's a slow process, so just bear with me, guys. But anyway, y'all enjoy it, and we'll see the next one probably within an hour or two. I've got the Q500 to upload. I think I got one more of the Typhoon H Pro is what I'm showing now, and I think I've got maybe 2 more videos of it, and then I'll move over to the Q500. And then the GoPro I got just messing around in the car with it. But anyway, I guess that's it, and we'll talk to everybody later. Y'all have a good day and wonderful weekend coming up. Thanks, and hit the like button and subscribe, please, and there'll be more videos to come. Um, try to get more and more up. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good day.